You've got about 2 cups of flour.
Flour.
You've got 1 tablespoon of onion powder. You got 2 teaspoons of, it looks like tablespoons. I don't know why it says teaspoon. Anyway, of seasoned salt, pepper as much as you want, and then that half a tablespoon of
Garlic.
garlic. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So go ahead and dump it in. Dump it. Okay, what's next? Seasoned salt. Mm-hmm. What's next?
Pepper.
Your pepper. Nice. And then what's next?
Garlic.
Your garlic. Okay. Now what do you do? Mm-hmm. And then do what?
Shake.
We'll go on and shake it. Shake, shake, shake. So you had this and some Frank's Red Hot sauce.
Okay.
All right. Now what's next?
Shake.
Well, shake it. Go ahead. Do your thing. Turn it upside down. All right. You good?
Good.
All right. Let's take it on over to the fryer. Come on.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead. Sorry. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what are you doing now?
Yeah.
All right, well, get your spray on. Now, what's in that spray?
Oil.
Oil.
Oil,
Okay.
please.
Go ahead. Okay. Now, what do you do?
ED.
All right, go ahead.
Ready.
Well, go ahead and get it. Now. Very good. All right, go ahead. Pull it out. What you got to do now? Yep.
Yeah.
Flip.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Keep going. Yep. Okay, now what are you doing?
Yeah.
Spray.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Right there. Good job. Let's see.
Okay.
All right. Oh, I can't look at it. Really? That's what we do.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Do what you do.
No one just comes and brings them out like that. So thank y'all so much for doing that for us.
Protecting others has been Fields' mission since we met 2 weeks ago. At the time, Fields was making homemade masks
Wow.
and air conditioning filters for CPD officers and Shaw firefighters.
How many you putting in there for tomorrow?
So our story
10.
Oh, okay.
Humanity.
Mm-hmm.